Hi, everyone. Let's talk about coordinating conjunctions, the little words that pack a big punch in our sentences. Coordinating conjunctions are connectors. They join words, phrases, or clauses that are equal in importance. And guess what? There are only 7 of them. To remember them, use the acronym FANBOYS. F is for. It explains reasons. I stayed inside for it was raining. A is for and. It adds ideas. I bought apples and oranges. N is for nor. It presents negatives. He doesn't swim, nor does he run. B is for but. It shows contrast. She tried, but she couldn't finish. O is for or. It offers a choice. Do you want pizza or pasta? Y is for yet. It adds surprise. He was late, yet he finished on time. And finally, S is for so. It shows a result. I was hungry, so I made lunch. FANBOYS, those are your coordinating conjunctions. Think of coordinating conjunctions like bridges. They connect ideas smoothly, and they make your writing clear. Now look for coordinating conjunctions in your own writing, and watch how they bring your sentences together. See you next time.